Okay, once again, we're being asked to write the quadratic for this. And once again, I'm going to use my shortcut, which says we can write the equation as y equals x squared minus the sum of my roots times x, and then plus the product. So in order to do so, we've got to find the sum and the product. So the sum of the two roots would be 3 minus square root of 6 plus 3 plus square root of 6, and hopefully you recognize those two are going to be 0. So you're really just adding 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. That's what's going to go right here. And then the product, not too bad. We're going to do 3 minus square root of 6 times 3 plus square root of 6. If you multiply the first terms together, you get 9. Outside terms, you get 3 radical 6. Inside terms, you get negative 3 radical 6. And then last terms, you're just going to get square root of 6 times square root of 6 is just 6, so negative 6. Middle terms are going to be 0. Again, that should not be a surprise since we're really multiplying a difference of squares here. And so we just have to do 9 minus 6, which is 3. That's what will go right here. And then I can write my equation. Y equals x squared minus 6x plus 3.